Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you for your time and for this opportunity to do the presentation. So this afternoon, I'll be conducting a presentation titled, Come Up and Join Us in the Heart of Baghdad, your trustworthy partner in Iraq. And I'm talking about our company, AL-Rasikh, for general contracting and the trading agencies. And AL-Rasikh company is a very well recognized and highly reputed corporation in Iraq. It has its own legal entity and registration with the Ministry of the Planning, and also we work in partnership and very close cooperation with many firms and many ministries. The power generation, the electricity, the transportation and distribution, and oil and industry as well. In AL-Rasikh, we focus a lot about improving the quality of Iraq. And also we focus a lot on developing the process of development in this country. My presentation will not be too long. It's very general highlights. So I'll give you some highlights about strategic planning and point of view in work. We'll mention our vision and our mission. Also, I will highlight our core processes and supporting processes at AL-Rasikh, and will show you our quality standard, which is an international quality standard, and just mention our attributes, recent huge projects we deliver and we covered in Iraq, and also our worldwide partners. So our explicit vision is to improve quality of your life. So the quality is very important issue in our work. While our mission is ramp up Iraq energy and power generation and control Iraq energy and power consumption, also upgrade Iraq energy and power facilities, and launch new Iraqi well-experienced generations in the field of energy and power. So our main concern is the work with the power issues. And our applicable quality principle, which we call MES, is make it safe and sound. We focus a lot on our quality requirements and what we need to achieve it and meet such quality standards. So we do the monitoring and measuring for better efficiency, along with the resources for better performance. And the performance from our point of view is the provision of the project's human and material resources, while we differentiate that from the efficiency, which is the completion of the project with zero complaints. And this is a very important issue. We train our people to work with it. This is our SCADA station for power consumption and control, and I will mention how many stations we did construct all around Iraq, and also will show you a short video to give you more information about our works. Our core processes is the EPC, engineering, procurement, and construction projects in the field of power generation, transmission, and distribution. EPC projects in the field of oil and gas industry. Provision of monitoring and measurement services through our huge and well-equipped and modern laboratories, assembling HV, MV, and LV electrical boards, and the training and the qualification of personnel in the core processes aspects. Our support processes are the quality management system, the ISO 9001, 2015, and the environmental management system, the 14001, 2015, the health and safety management system, ISO 45001, 218, monitoring and measuring resources, ISO 17025, and Code of Ethical Conduct, COC, and anti-bribery management system, the ISO 371, 2018. So we focus a lot in all our works on a quality issue and a transparency. Some achievements: the replacement of a 320 megawatt turbine generator with Siemens in Newcastle, our partners, and EPC of 70 substations all over Iraq, and the substations rating is 33/11 kilovolt, and the EPC of 7 SCADA stations and field instrumentation of 30,000 barrel per day refinery. Those are just the recent project, and just a sample to give you an idea about the area we are expert in and we are working with. Our quality model, we call it the 4 W's and H, which is what, where, when, who, and how. And our quality control is under a very experienced engineers and directors, and it's governed by a very well-reputed quality instructor in Iraq and in the region, and the quality consultants as well. Our unique attributes at Al-Rasikh: Al-Rasikh has its own distinguished managing facilities, manufacturing facilities, monitoring and measuring lab, machinery, and personnel. That's why we are very capable to take a huge projects, starting from the engineering, along with the procurement and the construction. We cover the whole life cycle of the project and the commissioning stage as well. Our worldwide partners are, as you can see, LS, Siemens, Megger, GE Power, Omicron, and ABB. Those are our worldwide partners and the major partners. We've got another partners during our work, but those are the major ones. These are just highlights about Al-Rasikh, and I will play a video just to give you some more information about our company.
Al-Rasikh Co. for trading and commercial agencies and assembling of control and distribution electrical boards, and is located in Baghdad, Al-Mansour, is one of the most well-known, recognizable brands involved in the fields of design, manufacture, testing of electrical appliances. Since its inception and approval from the Ministry of Commerce in 1996, Al-Rasikh has sustained strong trust-based relationships with its key stakeholders, including governmental ministries and private sector companies, developing a valued reputation centered around efficient execution and delivery. The company business continues to expand to provide the best global technologies from well-known origins to its customers. To guarantee best international quality standards in its work, the company applied the ISO 9001 version 2015 system in its operations, which had been issued by British QMS. Company projects. company had implemented several large contracts in cooperation with LSIS South Korean Company, the new name for LG Industrial Systems, including construction, supply, installation and commissioning of 70 substations, 33 to 11 kilovolt, as turnkey jobs, which were distributed over 14 of Iraq's 18 provinces, in addition to several contracts to supply, installation and commissioning of 17 132 to 33 kilovolt substations for the Ministry of Electricity. The Al-Rasikh company, in cooperation with LSIS Korean Co., is implementing two major projects to set up 7 distribution control centers of the power stations, called SCADA project system, which covers the entirety of Iraq, as well as the implementation of contract for electricity measurements, smart meters, for the same ministry, which is planned to cover all the provinces in Iraq. Al-Rasikh company has broad cooperation with the Ministry of Oil in many projects, including contracts to supply and install and commission 10 substations, in addition to the supply of electrical control boards. Al-Rasikh has also carried many contracts in various fields with other government ministries, such as Ministry of Oil, Ministry of Industry, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Interior and Labour and Social Affairs Ministry, and other local private sector companies. Subsidiary companies. As a result of the expansion and the development of the company work, it has established several specialized companies currently operating with Al-Rasikh Group as follows. 1. Aman Technology for Logistics. 2. Digital Eye Company for trading of security and surveillance equipment and fire alarms. 3. Arab Agent Company for information technology and telecommunications. 4. Jazir Abu Al-Mahid Company for general trading of electrical materials. 5. Al-Anda Company for general construction. 6. Al-Baha Al-Wafa Company for transportation and custom clearance. Al-Rasikh Company owns specialized facilities for assembling electrical control panels and switchgear boards for various applications, and motor center control boards and programmable electrical control boards. The company also owns a wide range of testing devices and transformers, oil filtration of high voltage 400 kilovolts and 132 kilovolts and other types. The company has been recognized and accredited for its industry standards, particularly in its capacity and certification of Type Test Assemble to assemble distribution electrical substation control boards, and is considered the only company in Iraq which owns such a kind of certificate to assemble electrical boards. Al-Rasikh has also a very modern testing laboratory with a very advanced testing devices supplied by Mega Company, Omicron Company, and Hypotronics Company, and was granted modern calibration certificates. The company is capable of calibrating and maintaining most testing devices in its maintenance center, which is equipped with very advanced devices throughout an agreement with Global Mega Company. The company also has a design and consultancy engineering department with high qualified and experienced engineers in such a field. The Al-Rasikh manufacturing facilities and laboratory is located in Baghdad suburbs near Al-Rasikh warehouse. For the purpose of supporting its various activities, the company has provided a wide range of specialized equipment to transport and offload cargoes inside and outside the stores to the markets as vehicles, trailers, forklifts, cranes, and other such utility vehicles. Al-Rasikh has cooperated with Al-Majal General Contracting Company since 2013. This cooperation has resulted in an agreement to establish a joint venture in 2016. This joint venture aims at joining both companies' financial and technical resources and capabilities to cover a wide range of services and projects in the power generation, power distribution, and oil and gas industry. Al-Majal has vast experience in the construction and rehabilitation of thermal and gas power plants and in the oil and gas industry. Al-Majal is committed to providing the highest level of services to the highest engineering standards and the highest performance with high-caliber staff. The company had executed many projects with recognized international brands, including but not limited to GE, Bechtel, Siemens, Babcock Borsig, KBR, Odebrecht Osten, Ansaldo Energia, Bono Energia, Washington Group, Fluor AMEC. Al-Majal provides the following services: project management, engineering, civil construction, electromechanical full construction, commissioning, operation and maintenance, projects rehabilitation, project procurement, projects assessment. 2. Fields we are working for: energy field, power generation, power transmission, power distribution; oil and gas field, refineries, pipelines, pumping stations, industrial oil units; water field, water treatment plants, wastewater treatment plants, water intake and pumping stations, DEMI and RO water plants. Al-Majal projects: civil and electromechanical construction and commissioning of Taza Kirkuk gas power plant, which consists of 2 units, capacity 265 megawatt and 60 megawatt. This project was on a turnkey basis since Al-Majal did all the civil, mechanical, electrical, and instrumentation and control and commissioning under the supervision of Siemens of Germany. This is the first time such a project was executed by an Iraqi company. Rehabilitation of Beji thermal power plant with 6 units, each 220 megawatt, with Ansaldo Energia of Italy, later on with Bechtel Systems of the USA. This is also the first time such a project of this nature and magnitude to be executed by an Iraqi company. Rehabilitation of 2 units in Dura thermal power plant, capacity 160 megawatt each, with Babcock Borsig Services of Germany. Tens of projects to supply, construct, and rehabilitate steam boilers with different capacities for the Ministry of Electricity, Ministry of Oil, Ministry of Industry, and private sector companies. Many projects to construct storage tanks with different capabilities and types, and also civil work for many projects in the energy sector and other sectors. Rehabilitation of DEMI water plants, RO plants, and water and sewage treatment plants. To contact Al-Rasikh, you may call or email on the address details listed. The website of Al-Rasikh is www.alrasikh.com. To contact Al-Majal, you may call or email on the address details listed. The website is www.almajal.com. Thank you from us at Al-Rasikh and Al-Majal for watching this video. We hope to further develop your sustained custom as a reliable and valued partner in the region.
And another thank you from me. I hope the video gave you an idea about how high is the standard of our work, and keep in mind that we are open to any sort of work and the future cooperation, and thanks again for your time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.